am opening my first Hanna Lynn painting from the Diamond Art Club. I'm pretty excited that I have gotten a total of 3 paintings from them so far. I have 2 more to open, but I'm not going to open it on this video. I will do a couple other videos on those. So that's what it looks like. Super excited. So let me get my scissors and let's open it up. Sorry, my throat's a little dry. Okay. Yeah, like I said, this is my first one of the Hanna Lynn collection. I have 1 more of hers coming, and then I have another painting. I can't remember the name of it. It's in the morning here, about 8:30 in the morning. So wherever you're at in the world, I'm hoping you have a good morning and a good evening. So let's open this up. I love the feel of this canvas. They really take care of their canvases, I think, in my opinion. Let's see if there's something else down there. All right, let's see here. You get your picture. Isn't she pretty? It's called Moon Glow. And you get the code, the number, and the DMC code right there. And then you get, let's see here. You get your boat, your one placer, and your wax, and the little squishy thing, and get a couple of those. And then you also get like a 3 placer down here on the bottom. Move these to the side for a minute. And I think these have some ABs in them. A couple. So let's take a look at the canvas. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me get the paper out of the way. This is instructions from the Diamond Art Club. Step by steps. Right there. Put that to the side. Alright, I'm back. I'm tired of fighting with the painting. Look at this painting. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And it sparkles, guys. It sparkles. Isn't she pretty? I'm going to go down here. I love this painting. I am so excited. And the glue is very sticky on here. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at her eyes though. They sparkle. What are the ABs or number 1? Oh, look at this. I'm so excited. I've never owned a Hanna Lynn before. Let's see here. Go down. There we go. And then her face. Okay, see that? Sorry. Super excited. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. There's a lot in here. Of course, you got your 310s, right? Your 310s. Let's see, and we got a few 310s here. 310s. 3 310s, and then we got 951s and 820. Look at those colors. 820, got 2 of them. Oh, got 3 820s. Okay. 768 or 796. Gosh, I love these colors. Ooh, look at that one sparkle. Pretty. 350. Threes. Oh, peach. Look. Look at that sparkle. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I love this purple. Look at those greens. I love those green colors. And then more here. Oh, look at that pink. I love that pink. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that color. Look at that one. They just sparkle. Oh, that purple. I love, 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 love. Super pretty colors. Oh my gosh. Wow. So, yeah, which ones? So this one here, AB, right here, AB, look at them sparkle. Those two are ABs. They sparkle. Aren't they pretty? So, let's take a look at where the ABs go, shall we? So, let's see here. So, 1 and 2 is the ABs. And let me see if I can find. So the 2 and the 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you without. So the 2's ABs go through her face and her arm. So it's going to really sparkle through here, and the number 1's, there's a couple in her eyes. Move this down a little bit. So the ABs are right here for the 1, through here, right? And then through her eyes up here. Yeah, so 1, you know, through the hair, looks like. Oh my gosh, I so love this painting, guys. Oh man, this is going to be fun to work on. Though I can't work on it right now. I have 2 other ones I'm working on. Yeah. I got a lot. I kind of overdid it. But I really wanted to get this painting. I really, really, really like it. I thought it was really pretty. I may make it for my daughter's room. Yeah. But like I said, I'll move my camera over a little. Just bear with me. AB's right here. Right here. Through here. And I think this is going to be, look at this green color right here. Right through here. It's going to be really pretty. And it sparkles, guys. It sparkles. I so love it. Tell me what you think down in the comments down below. What you think of this painting. It is a... I meant to look at that. It's a pretty big painting. And I don't remember the size. Yeah, I don't remember the size. I got a, oh, it's 47 by 66 centimeters with 2 ABs in there. So, yeah. It's a nice painting, huh? I could just sit here and admire the pretty painting. Okay, guys, I'm going to get off here and upload this video. I've had some standing camera issues. Yeah, so there's that. I have 2 more diamond paintings I'm going to be opening up the next few days from the Diamond Art Club, and then I have one from Mystical Diamond Arts I'll be opening, and I have another one from Paint Gem that I'm just been waiting all month to get. It's been taking forever. So anyways, all right, guys, look forward to those videos coming out, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Let's see. If you could watch my videos and make a comment, I would absolutely love it. I love comments. I'm trying to gain watch time hours. That's my most important thing right now is watch time. So if you do that, that'd be great. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see all more of my videos, hit the notification bell. So yeah, and tell me what you think of this Hanna Lynn. And she's called Moonglow. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here now. You guys have a great day, or a great evening wherever you're at, or if you're in bed sleeping, have a good day. Bye.